Hello GNI members. So we are here with a great awareness program, Hacktoberfest, a festival of open source contributions. So let's go to that page. So you can see Hacktoberfest 2022. Learn the power of GitHub. Speaker and the date. Okay. So actually we have finished this session. We're done with it, and so let's go to the actual process, like what the Hacktoberfest is and what is GitHub and how they are interlinked and what is open source contributions. You're going to get those whole information in this small bite of video. It won't be that so lengthy. So I think you know what is GitHub. A short intro, like GitHub is a place where you keep your all the code and you host it live. GitHub have the stack of code called as repo. Repos consist of folders. In that maybe you can dump your code or you may dump your documents, anything. GitHub is the place where you can store your code and a collaborating place, and it's also a open source collaboration platform also. So everything you can browse and learn. And also one more thing, your student side. So if you're a student, go through the GitHub student developer pack. You will get that student developer pack by searching the GitHub developer pack, and by using your college mail ID, you will get whole the premium tools. Like long back I got Canva, and now maybe you're getting the Figma and Azure points, and there are a lot of benefits. You will get a mail ID domain also, hosting services, lot of things. So I heard like it was around 2 to 3 lakhs. So go for GitHub student developer pack. Don't waste your college mail ID at the time of a college graduation. And next thing, you're in the GitHub, right? Okay, from that GitHub you will GitHub student developer pack, you will get GitHub Pro also. Done with that. And in this GitHub interface, this is one of my account interface, like which I have just created for you. Creating will be easy. Search in Google as GitHub and create account. It will be easy. This is one of my new account, a profile with nothing. And here you can see create repository. Here you can create first repo, something like that. Or you can add description, public or private, add readme file or something. Like you can create repo like this. So after creating a repo, nothing will be that so much. So then it will be showing something like here you will add your codes, issues, pull requests. I will explain regarding this all things. These all are important for Hacktoberfest. I will explain from that perspective. This is the GitHub interface. I think you got it. It is the place where you keep your all the codes. Okay. So going to the, I think you got it, what is GitHub, right? Then again, Hacktoberfest. What is Hacktoberfest? Hacktoberfest is a festival of open source contributions. Open source contributions. What is open source contributions? Open source contribution is nothing but helping. Okay, not actually. Okay, we can use a word of helping also. So if I have a project, let's like for the small scale, I am saying I have a project with some code. I kept in GitHub. It's public. Anyone can see. You have seen. You have found some some code errors or something like that. So you are a contributor. You can contribute to yourself. Like you can by saying there was edit. Can I edit? So there was some mistake. Can I edit? If you say that and if you do some changes, so you're called a contributor. You're helping some repos, right? I have a repo, a project or a software, a company, anything. So you're helping someone with your code or some documentation, anything. This process is called as open source contribution. So this contribution in different scales, like Hacktoberfest is the best way to start your journey as an open source contributor. So in this process you will be you have to contribute at least 4 contributions by this end of October to get some amazing facts from best MNCs like Intel, DigitalOcean. They are sponsoring the Hacktoberfest to creating the developers as contributors. For that, like, let's go to the website Hacktoberfest 2022. Okay, let's go to the website of Hacktoberfest. You can see the first link. Go to it, and then registration now open. It will end by October 31st. So do the registration immediately now. Registration now open. Yeah, so I think you should have a GitHub account. So initiate with GitHub account. Let's initiate. Oh, it's asking for authorize Hacktoberfest. Okay, let's authorize, man. Not an issue. It's authorized because both are in the same browser. Done. I got my GitHub authorized. That means your whole GitHub repos and your contributions can be accessed by your Hacktoberfest. This is an authorized website. Okay, don't worry, Hacktoberfest international level. So give your name, email ID. If you are a contributor, contribute. Most probably you are a contributor, I think so. If you are a maintainer, event organizer, then event organizer. I think you are a newbie. Here my account is newbie. If you are familiar, experience is experience. Then what do you want to do as a contributor? If you want to code. If you want to do the non-code stuff like documentation, designs, or something else, you do those also. Everything is okay. If you are from India, keep India, because the swag should be delivered, right? And also click the Holopin because Holopin is sponsoring something, and this marketing, it's up to you. And rules and terms, those are mandatory to be clicked. Click those and click register, not log out. Click register only. Yeah, click register. Let's wait. Yeah, everything done. It's going to get registered. Yeah, you got registered, man. After you got registered, you can see this 0/4. You have done nothing. There are 0 contributions. So if you have done if you do 1, 2, 3, 4 contributions, when these 4/4 got filled, then in return Hacktoberfest is going to use something amazing in return. Like there will be a two-way there will be a choice of choosing. One is a swag or t-shirt, another will be a plant a name on your tree. You can choose anything. If you choose plant a name on your tree, please ping me in GNI. We will value a lot. Like, that's really great, man. Okay, okay. Let's start this 0/4 to 4/4. Okay. So what to do? Okay. Let's choose any of the repo. But for choosing that, you need to go for only Hacktoberfest labeled repos. You can see this Hacktoberfest labeled Hacktoberfest. Every repo should have Hacktoberfest labeled. Then only your repo will be get accepted in the Hacktoberfest 2022 website. So for that, we have made a repo called stayrating.me. I will be sending you this. You will get more not only our video, you will be getting some more amazing, some other YouTube content creators videos also, because we are very new to this YouTube content making channel. So this is the repo. You can see in the description also. This is the repo which we are maintaining. As a maintainer, I am maintaining this repo. So here you will get everything. In the readme, you will get what this repo and everything. In the issue section, if you go, you can see the HTML code. Go to HTML code and let's do everything fast. Okay. So go to HTML code and say I want to I want to let's say assign me. I have skills on HTML. Okay, do this. Yeah, so once when the maintainer sees, so I am the maintainer, no need to worry. Yeah, so I got this. Okay, GNI. I assign to you. So I have assigned to you. Then not by this. So I have assigned to you. Where is ESL? Yeah, ESL is here. So I have assigned to you. Then here you can start your process. Okay. Then this repo got assigned to you, so you can start your open source contribution. So here is the HTML code, right? So by labeling, yeah, okay, done now. Click here, the edit button will be here. So do the stuff which you want. This is a paragraph, anything. Now just I am doing a small little change, not that so much. So I have done some code. Then do propose changes. Okay, yeah, then it will see if there was any conflicts with the other contributor. It will see the conflicts and everything. It will take just few seconds. Yeah, it have done everything. So after doing everything, click create pull request, then again create pull request. Wait for some time, it will be scanning for conflicts again. Yeah, wait, some checks haven't completed yet. Yeah, complete it. Yeah, all tests have passed, all checks have passed, done. So you have created your pull request successfully. Then it's up to a maintainer for your. Okay, next I came to the maintainers interface. So it's time to verify it and to merge again. So I will go to the page. I will see what changes you have done. Okay, yeah, you have done a HTML change only, but don't go for these small changes. Do some good contribution, do some good design work. Then like I feel good to accept and to merge it. If not, like you search the repos and do some contribution, not an issue, but do some value added contribution. Okay, so here I'm just showing the way how to contribute. Okay, here is it, and everything is fine. Now I can merge it. So before merging, I have to label it with Hacktoberfest. Accepted. Hacktoberfest accepted, right? Yeah, so done. I'm going to merge it with Hacktoberfest. Confirm merge. Yeah, done. It got merged. Let's go to the contributor page, your page. Yeah, it will show the same. Merge your contribute. Chandu Kasireddy merged your commit. So this contribution, this pull request is got accepted. So it can be displayed in your Hacktoberfest profile soon, but not that so far. It will take around 15 minutes to publish here, to get updated here. Don't worry, do the 4 pull requests by today itself. 4 are not that so matter to do. There are a lot of repos. Search here Hacktoberfest, and also we are going to give some more repos. This will be also given down, and also some more ways to do contribution. some more tricks. Other YouTube links also will be given in the description, so go and do. And also this contribution, this Hacktoberfest will be the beginning stage. By then, like, I am expecting Gsoc will be the highest Google Summer of Code. If you got selected in Gsoc as a contributor, that will be awesome, man. So be the contributor, make the open source contribution as a habit of doing a tweet as daily. It adds a lot of value to your career and your profile. I hope it was helpful. Yeah, thank you. Bye bye guys. Let's have a happy Hacktoberfest.